Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide columns with EndNote data in Power BI. So let's say you imported data and these columns didn't have anything in them. You want to hide them, right? What you can just do in the right hand panel, you can expand data. Okay, you'll see all the columns for your respective table. And then you just right click on that specific column. You can choose hide. As you can see, I'm hiding country and it will be gone from here. Okay. And to get it back, it's very easy. You can just right click on any column. You can click on view hidden. Okay. And then unhide it, or you can click on unhide all to unhide them. Right. I'll just cancel this for now. I'll show you something else. You can also come to the table view. And for this same table, you'll see there is this eye icon with a slash. So this means it is hidden. So if I right click here, you can see it is hidden in report view. I can untoggle this and it would unhide it. Okay. Or let me hide a couple of more and I'll show you how we can unhide all of them at once. Okay. So as you can see right here, we have 3 hidden ones. You can just right click and then click on unhide all to unhide all of them. You can just right click any one of them. Now this one is actually empty, so I'll just hide this in report view. And when I come back to this view, I will not see postal code again, right? So this one will basically disappear when I switch over to report view. As you can see, this one is hidden here. And if I come back, see, it's gone. And it's really that easy and simple.